How to buy crypto on Coinbase wallet. So technically, this is how you can add crypto to your wallet on Coinbase. So first thing you want to do is by going to your wallet and then using a payment method, you can link your Coinbase account to your Coinbase wallet. So there are two options. To do this, you can do it during the purchase. You can connect your Coinbase.com account while making a purchase in Coinbase wallet. Or you can go to the settings and go to the settings in the Coinbase wallet app. You can connect your Coinbase.com account. So once you connected your account, you'll be able to buy or transfer funds directly in the Coinbase wallet. Additionally, you can also use a third party or sign in or create an account with your chosen provider to buy supported crypto assets. And in order to do that, just go to your wallet and select the buy button, select the asset and the network, then enter the amount you want to buy. Then select your payment method. Then you can also buy DEX tokens on Coinbase wallet using the instant ACH or USD balance from Coinbase.com. And then you want to review and confirm the transaction details. And lastly, select the confirm and purchase to complete the transactions. And in step by step, you can do this simply, and that's how you can buy crypto on Coinbase wallet.